So here we've got our computers. Most of them are already protected, so I've made some backups before. And let me press restore button because that's all what we have to do to start restoring our data. We have to find the computer, the Microsoft 365 user, the Git repository we are going to restore, and press restore button next to. Then we've got the list of available backups. So here we can find all backups that we made before. Let me choose, for example, my demo plan, and below I've got the list of backup versions that are already stored. So each this backup version is treated as some kind of data snapshot. We've got information about the backup type and its size. So it's incremental copy with 0 byte size, what means that at least since last copy, there are not any changes on the data made. But of course, we can restore this version easily. Here is the list of files and folders. We are talking, of course, at this moment about the file level, just to remind. And for example, I would like to restore my Xopero client installer. Then, in the last step, we have to choose the computer we are going to restore our data to. So those data comes from Grzegor's new computer, which is my desktop. And for example, I can restore the data directly to my laptop. Then I have to choose the directory between the original and new one. So let me choose the new one. And I'm going to restore it somewhere to the drive in TMP directory. I will create some new TMP restore demo and let me apply as location for my restore. Then we can also override existing data. We can restore file permissions or reduce the bandwidth. So here we've got also the control over bandwidth utilization, and we can start now the restore task. The progress of each task, backup and restore, we can monitor in tasks tab. Here you can see my my restore task is already in progress, and by pressing on this icon we can also check the details about the progress. So now we are initializing data restore. There are no successfully protected resources yet, but once the restore process will start, we will have some more information about restored data. And it's done already, so we have to switch to another one tab with our history tasks, and there is, for example, my demo restore already made, which is successfully finished. There is size of restored data, and we can also check to some more details, so I can see that just one file has been restored. And let me even show you, prove it on my laptop. So there is TMP inside the TMP directory I've created. Oh, maybe I've choose it wrong because there is TMP, oh, not this one where I can't find the setup of the restore directory, but somewhere there on my computer. So I don't know. Oh, here TMP restore demo in TMP directory. So this is the one used for data restore. Entire path to the original location of the file, and here is the file I've choose to data restore. So how that the restore process works. And as meantime we are in tasks, here, for example, we've got backup of bare metal restore. It was backup of drive image. In this backup job, there were two computers. In this backup policy, there were two computers triggered, and we've got information about the data size sent. At any time, we can also check more detailed information about backups done or backups that are already in progress. Everything you will find here in the tasks. So that's how we can restore the data on a file level, no matter if they comes from Linux or Windows operating system or any other location. At any time, we can easily make file level restore.